I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting essentials in place. Know your router SSID, admin password, and which band you prefer because the extender clones or bridges those settings. Once powered, use the vendor app or the web setup URL to start pairing. The app speeds things up and shows signal strength, which matters for placement. Make sure the extender's firmware prompt appears and accept it if offered, because updated firmware reduces compatibility issues during the rest of the process. You now pair the extender to the router. Follow the app prompts to select your router network and enter credentials so the device authenticates. The device will create a backhaul link you should verify. Once done, decide Unified SSID for seamless roaming or a distinct name to manage connections manually, because each approach affects device handoff. Make sure LEDs indicate a solid connection. If they blink, move the extender closer and restart the pairing sequence to improve the backhaul. You finish by relocating the extender to an optimal midpoint. Aim for roughly half the distance where the app shows at least 50% signal, because that preserves speed to both router and edge devices. Then run speed tests in previous dead zones and tweak placement until speeds and stability meet expectations. If things go wrong, try rebooting router and extender, factory reset the extender, and rerun setup with current firmware. That sequence resolves most sync or authentication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.